Financial freedom, yeah, that's the goal. Invest your time, invest your soul. Save it, stack it, watch it grow. Generational wealth, Coach Flow.
I want to welcome everyone back to another episode of Generation Investors Podcast. As you can see, I'm not in the normal setting back at the office. I am officially on vacation at the beach, and I am enjoying myself. When I say I'm enjoying myself, this is what it's all about. Take the time this weekend to spend some time with your family and friends and really experience what life has to offer, because this is what it's all about right here. You work so hard throughout the week, take some time to go somewhere that you can just go chill, that you can just go and just reflect. And I believe this weekend, this is what it's all about. I want to give a salute and those out there who have paved the way, those who have paved the way along the way, served in the service. Maybe you have some family, you may have some friends. I know I have some family and friends who served in whatever military personnel, whether that's the Army, Marines, Navy, all those military branches out there. And so shout out to all, I do mean all military personnel, because you are appreciated. And as we get back into the office, we're going to talk about what is going on with Nvidia. Nvidia had earnings this past week, and they knocked out the park. Like I figured they would knock it out the park. And so we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about AMD. Another one that has started to pick up steam. And I'm liking what I'm seeing from AMD. Definitely like what I'm seeing from AMD. And for those who are not as risque, we still buying ETFs. We still buying BUG. We still buying SPMO. And when you look at our market and what has transpired, I've been doing my research, and Trump have said, he said that we are in negotiation with ending this war, but that is yet to be seen. But they're saying we could have this deal officially by the start of this week. So I'm gonna keep you updated on that as well. And then when I talk about, as we officially kick off summertime, the best time, we gotta talk about inflation. That's why I want to get to this point right here. I know I'm going pretty fast, but I don't want to keep everyone too long. We'll talk about summer. We'll talk about how gas prices are going through the roof. We're talking about food that's going through the roof. We're talking about travel, because now we about to get ready into the summer, and travel demand is about to skyrocket. But everyday individuals are getting hit with these prices. Everyday individuals are getting hit with all these costs. These costs are hitting everybody's pocket, whether that's you are low class, middle class, or upper class. We all are getting pinched. And so the question is, let me know in the comments, what are you doing to save your dollars? What are you doing to cut back on your dollars? Because I'm looking to the summer, besides create more products, digital products, create side hustles, generate income. And so I implore you to look at creating a side hustle, second job, cutting back on costs. So we know, everybody know we gotta eat. Everybody know you have to have a place to stay and have to have a transportation, but there's ways you can cut costs. And so I'm implore you to look at how can you cut costs? How can you budget this summer? What better ways can you save your money and keep money in your pocket? Because obviously, wages are not going up. Salaries are not going up. Only thing is going up is inflation. Only thing is going up is paying so much for food, rent, mortgage. That's what's going up. And it's not going to go down. That's the thing about it. It's not going to go down. The thing about it is we all are going to keep on paying these outrageous prices because of what's going on across the world. And because of when it comes to inflation, it is really eating our dollars away. So regardless of you putting money in a savings account, which I encourage you to do that, but you have to have your money growing for you. You have to have your money making you money. So whether that's getting dividends, whether that's open a high yield savings account, which all that I'm doing as well. Definitely opening up a high yield savings account, start little by little and creating that habit of saving, and then invest. Got to invest in quality companies, quality stocks, the Apples, the AMDs, the Nvidias, the Microsoft, the Googles. And you say, Coach Lowe, I don't have that much money to spare. That's okay, because you can fractional share. Fractional share, little as $1. That's right, fractional share, little as $1. $5, $10, whatever you can afford, because one shoe size don't fit all. But you gotta start. We all gotta start. We all gotta start somewhere. And so that's the thing. We all have to start with making our money work for us, because obviously, like I've stated, inflation isn't going anywhere. So let me know. Comment below. What are you doing to save up and cut back on your expenses? Because now's the time, as we go into summer, to start cutting back on things, because things are only finna go up this summer. Gas, of course, like I said, mortgage and rent, insurance, all that, food. So leisure, entertainment, all that, travel, all that's gonna go up. So what are you doing to cut back on your expenses? So if you have enjoyed this episode, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe, continue to share, family, share with your friends. We all looking to become generational wealthy and become generational free, free away from debt, free away from this poverty, and free away from these check. See you in the next one. Peace.